Yes, with a manual transmission. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. My name is Jack. This is Gas Diesel Garage, and in today's episode, well, all I can say is because race car. Yes, you guys, I finally get to build a race car, and it just so happens that my good friend Mr. Eric, he's actually given me an Infiniti G20 with an SR20 engine in it. Just one thing, I need to get it back to the house. Maybe it'll start, hopefully. Let's see. Let's go ahead and grab the jumper. And here she is in all its glory. Yes, with a manual transmission in it. Can't have a race car with an automatic. I'm sorry, it just doesn't happen. Well, at least not me. Yeah. Here's my SR20 engine in it. It's seen better days, but when we're done with it, it's gonna be a beast. So let's see if it even starts. Put this. Okay, right, start. Okay, let me hit the turbo boost. Right, let's see what she does. Well, that's a good sign. Got power. Woo, a little toasty in here. All right, we got some power. Let's see if, all right. Whoa. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Guess she's gonna need a little bit more encouragement. Well, okay, here's the current situation. I might have to use the trusty Silverado to jump off this G20 because my little jump box thing, well, let's just say that thing cracked out. So let's see if it'll start now that it's got some Chevy power hooked up to it. Okay, round two. Got some juice. Let's see. Okay, now it won't crank. Round 1,200. Getting this thing up on a tow dolly is a pain in the ass when you do it yourself. So if you have a hill, that would be great. You can push it up onto it, but I don't have that much ass in me. So we're gonna try the next best thing is see what we can do with a ratchet strap. Found it more effective to use the ratchet strap ratchet on the trailer, or I'm sorry, the tow dolly. Looks like it's doing a little bit better. At least I got it on the incline. Damn, I'm sweating. Anybody want to sponsor me for some Gatorade or something? Good news is we got it loaded. Thank God. By myself, manually. Let's just get it back to the house and drop it off in the driveway. I think I need an IV. Why an Infiniti G20 for a race car? Well, number one, it was free. Number two, it was sitting in a car lot rotting to death for 3 years. But it still has a great engine in it and a transmission. It's got a manual transmission in it. It's got an SR20 in it. And if I gut that whole thing, put a roll cage in it, brakes, tires, and a little bit of tuning, maybe even some boost, because this SR20 is not a boosted engine, but it will be. So hope you guys come along for the journey. If you enjoyed this episode, if you enjoyed watching me sweat my butt off and loading this thing on a, a tow dolly of all things, if you want to see more of this type of stuff, please like, subscribe, and comment, and leave some comments in there and some suggestions on what you think I should do to this Infiniti G20. Until next time, peace. Still not fun. At least I got a good leg workout. Never missed a leg day. Damn. I think I feel like I'm going to die.